Assalamu alaikum. I am Mithila Das Sharmisha. Now presented Group 17. Now I want to share some information which is Parkinson's disease is a progressive neurodegenerative disorder that primarily affects movement, named after the British physician James Parkinson who first described the condition in 2017. Parkinson's disease is characterized by the gradual loss of dopamine-producing neurons in specific region in the brain known as the substantial diagram. Most of the people ages 60 are a significant risk factor, with the majority of individuals being diagnosed after the age of this. However, early onset cases can occur. That's why we are choose this topic: explainable prediction of Parkinson's disease from resting state functional MRI using hybrid 3D Sinan Lestium model, which is detect early age. Here is a table of content: introduction, literature review, methodology, dataset collection, data pre-processing, choosing the model, deep learning model, and then result analysis, feature and conclusion. First of all, introduction. Parkinson's disease is the second most common neurological disorder in the aging population. It results from the decreased dopamine levels, which I already said that in the brain causing motor issue. In the initial age, 90% of patients show vocal cord injury signs. There is no cure due to disease complexity. Early detection and treatment can ease symptoms, enabling a return to normal life. Or the background study will learn that break, break H, break E, they research the combination of decision trees, regression, deep neural and neural networks with a maximum accuracy of 92.9%, which is used, and the achievement substantial reliability without making strict assumption. Neighbor C song is a Dysphomia. They researched long short-term memory LSTM method was utilized for their researcher, which is identify pre-aging of gait, and then reliable marker for those with PD who are at risk of failing. It is their result. Another is which is conference, international conference on pervasive computing and communication workshops and other affiliated events. FOG Elysium performs better than SVM. Their their research process shows that characterized by the occurrence of olfactory loss. Here is a methodology. After the this is our whole plan of our top research, and here is our method datagram. And after the plan, we start working methodology. After the dataset is acquired, we plan to apply several steps for the pre-processing of the fMRI images such as motion, correction, Gaussian, smoothing, etc. Then we are using dictionary learning based technique which extracts a few representative temporal elements along with spatial loadings, thus giving rise to good extracted maps. We propose a hybrid three-dimensional model used, then the dataset is segmented into training and test set for evaluation. Finally, we will use model explanatory tools like GradCam or Lime to explain what and how the model predicts. Here is a dataset collection. In this research, we are using publicly available Parkinson's diseases dataset from National Institute of Research and Development in Informatics, Romania. The dataset consists of MRI scan images of Parkinson's diseases patients and age-matched healthy controls. The dataset contains MRI from both anatomical and functional scans. Here is a 3D volume MRI pictures and 4D volume 3D to 4D volume fMRI pictures. Data pre-processing. Here is a visualization of this data pre-processing body and data obtained in NAI or NAFTI format pre-processing using techniques like slice, time, correction, motion, correcting, Gaussian, smoothing. And also it is then converted to DICOM format for the machine learning using NI to DCM packages. Then images in DICOM format are converted into features and lab. Now I'm giving floor to my group mate who is explain the rest of this topic. Thank you.
Thank you, Mithila. Assalamu alaikum, sir. This is Sakib Rakoni. Now it's about the rest of the parts. Here we have choose the model. The models are CNN, LSTM, and LINE. CNN stands for Convolutional Neural Networks, which are class of deep neural network designed for processing structured grid data, such as images. They have proved high effective in task like image recognition and computer visions. CNNs use convolutional layer to automatically adapt learn hierarchical of the features from input data. This architecture enables them to capture pattern and relationship within the images, making them well situated for tasks like object detection, image classification, and facial recognition. In the architecture, we can see that except the raw data, usually an image in a context of computer vision. Convolutional layer. This layer apply convolutional operation to detect pattern and feature in the input. Active function. Following the convolutional function, active function like real reflecting are applied to the introduced of linearity allowing a network. Pooling. Pooling layers reduce the spatial dimension of the input, reducing compression and enhancing networks. LSTM. LSTM stands for long short-term memory. Long short-term memory is a type of recurrent neural network which is RNN architecture designed to overcome the limitation of traditional RNN in capturing long-term dependence in sequential data. LSTM were introduced to address the vanishing gradient problem, which hinders the training of RNNs on sequences with a long time lags. LINE. LINE stands for Local Interruptible Model Agnostic Explanations, which techniques used for explaining the prediction of the machine learning model, especially complex or black box model. Its aim to provide the interpretability by approximating the behavior of the model in the vicinity of a specific instance. Let's see the deep learning model. We have used the term hybrid. Hybrid means the context of machine learning and artificial intelligence refers to a combination of different types of model or technique to leverage the strength and migrate the weakness of each individual approach. This model can be blend various algorithm, data source, or methodologies to improve performance, interactivity, or handle specific types of data and more efficiency. Here we have used the CNN and LSTM in a hybrid model that combines the strength of the convolutional network and long short-term memory networks. CNNs are excellent for extracting special features for images, while LSTMs are great capturing temporal dependencies in the sequential data. Here we have given the model. In the figure we have see that we have input the images and we got the output of the CNN and LSTM. Result analysis. In the result, we will see that using metric accuracy, AUG, etc., we are also using data augmentation technique like height strip, vertical strip, etc. Dictionary learning. Dictionary learning is used for the better interface component analysis as shown in the literature and the components. Our experiment of the dictionary learning outcomes is ICA is more stable and thus leads to better statistical analysis. Here we can see the result. We have got our accuracy 96% and loss of data 0.1%. Conclusion. In the conclusion, we have highlighted the proficiency in the recognition neural pattern which images the datasets using deep learning methodologies. Demonstrate how the study of the condition of the board understanding of this disease illustrate this approach for the pathway towards the move string and the accurate disease identification planting. We have also connected the 3D model to enhance the patient outcome through our improved diagnostic accuracy. Future work. In the future work, we have seen that dataset enhancement. Dataset enhancement means combining the information of multiple monitoring of the create of rich interpretation of the data, which will help to improve our model. This multimodal methodology comes with the challenges such as data alignment, feature expression, and designing model that efficiently handle multiple models are additionally ethical considering the privacy of the patients. There's a technology patient care impact. In the patient care impact, we have used that early detection, early disease detection, personalized treatment plan, predict analysis, remote the patient monitors. Here are the reference, and that's all from us. Thank you.